This is 300 grams of chocolate hazelnut spread. ,200 grams dark chocolate. So the chocolate's softening now, so I'll just give this all a stir. So they're in this 6 muffin tray now. Just push it to the side a bit to cover the fillings. Heat on high. Heat down to halfway. I'll give this a try. Needs to be a little sweeter. I'm putting some brown cane sugar in. Fresh blueberries. Two measuring cups of thick yogurt. I like Greek yogurt or this lactose-free yogurt, which is very similar to Greek yogurt, and it's nice and creamy. Three-quarters of a cup of sugar. This is Australian cane sugar. It's raw sugar. And the rest of it, that makes 3/4 of a cup. 300 grams of chocolate hazelnut spread, and probably got around 58% sugar, which would give us, I'm guessing, close to 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So I've almost got 2 times 3/4 of a cup of sugar. It's also giving us some oil. I'm using the same spoon I used for the yogurt. I don't care. All these ingredients are going to be mixed. What does it matter? Now I'm going to put in some peanut oil. You could use sunflower oil or another suitable cooking oil. Okay, I'm going to mix that around. I'll add a bit of sea salt. A modestly heat measuring tablespoon of 100% pure cocoa powder. And I'll continue mixing. I'm now going to sift in 3 measuring cups of flour. I'm using gluten-free plain flour. Cup 1, cup 2, and cup 3. I'll just flatten that out a bit. Now I want 1 measuring tablespoon of baking powder. So I'll fold this all through